Hello everyone, welcome back my YouTube channel Salesforce. This is Rohit and today I'm going to discuss about the new features for the Flows Summer 25. So if you are new in this channel, so I requested you all, so please like, share, comment, subscribe the channel, also turn on the bell icon for more update so you never will miss any kind of update from my side. Also, I recommended you, so please watch this video until end if you want to enhance your knowledge and up to date in the flow knowledge. So you have to watch this video until end and don't skip any part of this video. You will not get any kind of information from my side regarding these new features. Okay, so let's get started now. This is the first slide regarding the summer 25 release notes, and here this is the key dates for the summer 25. So you can see the pre-release or will be available on 17th. Okay, and the release note 23, sandbox preview start next month, release module, you can see this here, and based on the dates you can leverage this feature. So this is all about like key dates for the summer 25. Here you can see the first feature, create a new flow experience. So previously it was only available on the automation app. If you know about the automation app, so well and good. Otherwise you can watch my earlier video because I already created lots of video regarding the automation app for the flow. Okay, so previously only this feature is available only automation app, but for now you can create the any flow, any kind of flow using any kind of options in this setup as well as button. I will show you one by one, so don't worry about it. So this is the first feature. Let's see in the accent. Okay, and before that let me show you. So this is the logo summer 25 release, so you can easily understand this one, right? Now let me open my org. In this org you can see this is my org. There are so many ways to create the flow, right? First of all, let me tell you the set of options. So under the quick find you have to search like flow. So immediately you can see the option like flow, and once you click on this flow, now you will see two options in the right top corner like flow trigger, explorer, and new flow. So just click on the new flow. So immediately you can see new tab is opened, and it's opened the automation app interface like new automation and this kind of flow type like trigger, flow, schedule, screen, and auto launch. So these all different types of flow is available in this canvas or in this screen. So this is the first option to create the flow using new automations, right? Previously screen only was available whenever you clicked on the automation in the app launcher. Otherwise you cannot see this screen. Right now you can see this screen everywhere, right? So this is the first way to find out this flow creations. Now second way is click on the home. Let me clear these all things, and here you can see the create button, right? Just click on this and now you can see the flow. Just click on this flow, immediately you will be see the same screen as the automation. Previously it was only applicable like one pop-up like create the flow from the scratch, or if you have a built-in template so you can use it. So that's why. Okay, so now you can see that this is new screen, new automation. Okay, and also this is the second way to create the flow. Also in the app launcher you can use the automation app as well, like automation. So let me click on here like automation. So just click on the automation. Under this automation app also you can see the same screen here. So just let me click on the new, and now you can see the same screen in all the tabs like this one, and this one, right? So you can create flow anywhere as you want. So this is the first feature. Okay, so now let's move. The next feature is like new flow canvas enhancement. Okay, so let's see in the action. So in the org, let me create one screen flow. Just click on the screen, and here you can see the types of screen flow, user provisioning flow, like that. I just want to click on the screen flow, and here you can see the immediately the canvas is the gray color, background color you can see the gray. Previously it was like a white color, right now you can see the gray color. Okay, and also you can see the element is a I don't know a rectangle shape. Previously it was a circular or something like that. Right now you can see these all things. Just let me create a one screen, let's say screen one, something like that. You can make any name as you want for your component for now, and for this demo I'm just keeping these all name randomly. Okay, so let me take this display text here, Just drag and drop this one, enter this name here, click on done. Now you can see this is a new flow canvas enhancement, right? So here you can see each and everything in the single screen and all the things, right? Previously it was very circulate and everything. You can just differentiate what is the new of this release, right? So now let's see the next feature is like new error indicator in the flow element enhancement. Okay, so let's see here. So suppose I want to add one get element here. Just click on the get one, and here let's say get accounts. Okay, and object, I can select the object like account. And now I don't want to give any condition for this checking purpose. So just close it. Now immediately you can see the error. So this is the some indicator to see the error. Previously it was only applicable for the top of the element, but right now it's very near to this element, and it's a very dark and all the safe. You can easily recognize, oh, this element have some error, and you can fix it, right? So this is a new feature here. Now let's see the next feature is new screen size in a flow screen enhancement. Okay, so based on the screen size, we can enhance our screen, and based on the device, right? So let's see in the Excel. So now let me open this screen, and immediately you can see the option like preview size. Right now we have only three options here, like large, medium, and small, right? So based on the your need, you can select which option is suitable for you. Okay, right now I'm just selected this large, and now let me change this medium. Immediately you can see the canvas screen, this screen make as a medium size. Let me click on the small, and now you can see the small. It means it's a mobile size, like phone, app, and utility bar, something like that. This is for quick action and window medium. And final one is the lightning page you can use in the desktop or laptop screens, right? So this is another feature here, right? So let's see. The next feature is like new screen layout enhancement. So this is also a good feature, because previously it was only applicable for the section wise, but right now you can implement or you can use this feature for the specific element. So let's see in the action. In the this screen, let me add some text type of input. So let's say first name for now, like first name. Let me add the last name as well. This flow is not related to any kind of use cases or something like that. So don't be panic like you are not showing something like informative, but it's always informative. If you have this knowledge, then you can build any kind of flow in your project. So last name here, and then now you can see this is a new style tab. So once you clicked on this tab, immediately you can see the width and the vertical alignment. So just click on the width, and you can adjust your width of your element based on your need. So let me make as a 6 of 12 half width. Now you can see the half width. Same for this one. So just click on the style and click on the width and half width. Immediately you can see both element input type element is side by side. So you can adjust based on your need. So this is also a new feature here. Let me move. The next feature is new visual picker screen component is available, and this is a new component available in the screen flow, and it's a very useful for us to indicate the end user what is the purpose of each and every element easily, so end user can easily understand, okay, for this feature. So let's see in the action. In the component, you have to search like visual picker. Just drag and drop. Let me give any name as it, like VP visual picker. Okay, and here you can see the visual picker size. You can adjust it. Okay, you can disable it or you can make it as required. So, and also you multiple option available. Like if you select yes, you can select more than one option at a time, but it's a default selection here. You can see like no. Let me add the choices, like new choices. Okay, let me add the new choices here. So let's say like admin for now. Let me add this one, admin. Okay, click on new one, like new, and here let's say dev. It's a dev one, right? Let me add another one like LWC, something like that, like LWC, and let me create it. So you can see immediately three element here like admin, dev, and LWC, three options, right? Let me add this one because I can add my visual indicator. That's fine. So here you can see the new option, that is choose icon. So just click on this one, and here you can see the utility doc type and standard that is provided by the SLDS by default. This is the SLDS library icons. You can find out from here as well. So here in the search icon, you have to search, let's say, admin or user, something like that. So this is the user. Just select it and done it. Immediately you can see the icon like admin icon, this one. Same for dev, and there the dev, you can choose the icon, let's say standard, and the dev, like dev, something like that, or code, something like that. You can select like code. It's a code like this. Okay, and click on this one. Now let me select the LWC icon and the source icon. Just select anything as you have. Let's say any icon as we have. Let me select let's say JavaScript, like this one for now. Let's save it. Done it. Now immediately you can see, okay, this is all. Let me change the color for this one, right? I don't want this, in this color. So I can use, or I can change the icon as well. So just click on this one and select here like group. It's a group like this one. I can select it and update my icon like this. Now it looks like good. Let me save this and let me make it as a no condition here, and all the element. Click on the save, and let's say Summer 25 slow features, something like that. Click on the save, and once you set it, now let's see the output of this screen. So let me click on the debug, and once you click on this debug, now you will be see this visual indicator here. Okay, I like this feature because it's a end user can easily understand what is the purpose of each and every options. So now immediately you can see three options like admin, dev, LWC. Let me select the dev. Now you can see you can select it anything as you want like this. Okay, like this. Okay, so this is the new feature here. Let me move the next feature is like a new icon in the choice lookup. This is also a good feature. Let me show you in the action. So under here in the screen, let me add that choice one, like choice lookup. Just drag and drop anywhere as you want, like choice lookup CL. Under here, like choices, we already have the choices, so I can use my existing one like admin, dev, and the LWC like this. Click on done, click on save, and now let me debug this flow. So just remove it and debug it. So once you debug, now you will be see this choice lookup with the icon values, right? So click on the run. Now you can see the choice lookup. Just click on this one. Immediately you can see the admin, dev, LWC with icon. These all value with the icon in the choice lookup in this release summer 25. Okay, so I like this feature as well and this feature as well. Okay, two most important features. So let's see in the action in the next feature. So this is another feature like a new way to copy, cut, delete element and add the fault path in your element. So let's see in the action. Open the flow, and here you can see this screen one, and in three dots, once you click on it, now you can see the copy element, cut element, and delete element, right? So this is the new option as well here. Also in the get accounts, you have the option add a fault path, because this is the DML. Maybe sometimes error will be occur in the future, so that's why Salesforce already have this add fault path here like this, and you can add your screen here to show the fault path message like that. Okay, so this is the another feature here. Let's see the next feature is like debug log detail enhancement. This is a good feature to improve your knowledge regarding the Salesforce debugging, tips and tricks. So let's see in the action. But first of all, let me try to understand these all options here. Like mix, this is the mean and max width. So based on this icon, you can just adjust your, debug with like min and max in single click. Also you can just copy and paste your debug logs. And also you can search your debug logs from here. Let's say I want to search one record ID uh, out of these all information in a same place. So just you can just copy and paste that ID in the search bar, and immediately you will be see the output here. And this is the another option here, like adjust the screen based on the preferences like this. You will see this in the Excel. So let's see. And once you clicked on new, now you have to create record trigger flow. Okay, it's a trigger flow, or you can select from here as well, like a record trigger flow. I can select my object like account, and condition I can give like none. And here also you can see the enhancement of the optimized flow with the help of this radio button, like a toggle button. You can just make it like if we have like external system, you have to connect with the external system, you can just toggle it like this one. Otherwise, turn off. This is the one. And here you have to get the element like get accounts, and account, like account. I don't want to add any condition, like all account. Now I can add the loop. For now you can use transform element here instead of loop. Okay, for now I'm just showing this one. So let's say account via loops, and this is a collection variable. Just let me save this, like debug slow. Click on the save, and once you save it, now you have to debug it. Don't worry about this warning, because of I didn't give any you know condition, that's why. So just like the edge communication as you have. So enter it. Now immediately you can see our debug details here in the right side panel. You can just collapse it and expand it, and you can just copy it. And here you can see the small dot. It means you can just anywhere as you want, like this. You can adjust your screen like that. Also you can make it like single click like that. Okay, also you can see lots of things like in the detail. In the account you can see lots of IDs. I want to search some IDs, let's say this one. Okay, and collapse it, like expand collapse all. In the search bar you can select this ID, and immediately you can see this ID is available here. Immediately it automatic search in the loop element and find out here. So this is how you can debug these all elements and flows based on your preferences like this. So this is the also new feature here. Let me open the next feature, is like email configuration enhancement. In this enhancement you will be see like email configuration enhancement. Let's see in the action. Let me click on the edit flow, and let me add the action element here, like action. In the action you can see the category, right? So this category have the related to the email, like send email, and immediately you can see the enhancement like sender type. Here you can see the search resources or sender type. Also you can see configure email content, like compose email content or use a template. If you have a template like email template, you can just give the email template ID here and use it like this. Okay, and also you can use this one like body. This is the rich text area, you can add the body as well here. Previously it was only simple text, and we have to give like any HTML tag, and in between HTML tag you have to write your body, subjects, everything. But here you can see it's an enhancement version. Also attachment ID, you can see these all, right? So these all attachment ID. So this is also new feature here. These all the related the summer 25 new feature for the flow. So guys, I hope you learn the new features from this video. If you feel like this is the very more informative for us, so please like, share, comment, subscribe the channel. Also turn on the bell icon for more updates, so you never will miss any kind of update from my side. Share this video as much as you can, and also improve your knowledge day by day. So till then, bye bye, take care, see ya. Thank you for watching guys. See you again, bye bye.